welcome back to Abiding Tribe. Thank you for joining us again. We are in Tennessee this week. We came to Tennessee to visit some friends near the Knoxville area, and we actually found a campground to stay at in the, where was that again?
It was in Sevierville, Tennessee, and it was called Honeysuckle Meadows.
Honeysuckle Meadows, yeah,
It was the cutest campground, and it had a great view of the Smoky Mountains and very quaint. It was, I mean, the only downside, it was about an hour from our friends. Still, we were still closer to them than we would be at home. So
yeah,
it was nice. And
so on our whole trip, we pretty much used the RVlife, RV GPS the whole time, and it really did great. It takes into account your RV length and size and weight, all that stuff, and puts you on a nicer route for RVs. Whereas if you use a regular GPS, you could get stuck in a bad situation. Mm-hmm. But we actually found ourselves stuck in a tight, rough situation, even using the RVlife.
Could have been worse.
Nothing against RVlife.
So much worse.
If any of you ever see this video, check the GPS around the Honeysuckle Meadows campground. We were coming down the road there. I'll have to put it on here which road it was, but it showed us our destination to turn into the campground. And so we did it. We followed the GPS and then realized really quickly that it put us up into this little small,
very narrow neighborhood road.
Neighborhood road, nowhere to turn around.
No, not at all.
So that's the first time that happened to us. Yep. We were completely stuck. We had to back down most of the way. Apparently we weren't the first RV to do this. So ours is like 35 foot total with the tongue. They said that, I don't know, a week or so before us, they had a 40-footer travel trailer come down there on accident. They had to get that thing turned around. But anyway, so the guy was super nice.
Thankfully, most people in Tennessee, shout out to you Tennessee people, because you are some of the sweetest, most kind, helpful, giving, loving people. And we found that everywhere we went in Tennessee.
Yeah,
so,
yeah.
This guy was no exception.
Yeah, he was great. He actually let us do a U-turn in his yard. So that we could get out onto the main road, better and safer. But it was, had just enough room to pull it off. But
I was about to just block traffic.
Yeah, I was about to say.
So he could back up.
She was going to go out the road with her wands and her safety vest,
That's right.
Yeah. And
see what this cup says? Chaos coordinator.
Yeah. I know. We're going to do something different.
GPS. So what are we going to do? What are we doing?
I'm just going to
straighten it out and try it this way.
How much more room I got?
Plenty, like over 20 feet.
Oh, good.
Yeah.
I'm going to go ahead and start doing this so that I can cut into his.
Okay. Good idea. You're still good.
I might be. I'm going to try to go forward now.
You going to try that?
Yeah.
Trailer's okay. Yep, go ahead. You good. Still good. Slow, and then stabilizers. Okay, we're good. They're close, but we're good.
Yeah.
Yeah. Check that out. Oh, dear.
And
Legit.
So luckily because of him, we didn't have to do all that mess, and he got out the normal way. But then the campground was like, I don't know, walking distance right down the road. So
it was literally like the next
turn. So yeah, we finally got there,
and it was lovely.
This is the first. We have a whole care package, a little swag bag and everything.
Also wanted to ask if you have ever, with the whole turning around, getting stuck situation, if you have ever been in one of those situations, let us know. Have you ever gotten down a road that you can't turn around and you have your big old RV behind you? Let us know what situation you were in the comments down below. Let us know how you got out of it.
How you got out.
Yeah.
That's going to be the interesting part.
how it turned out. Yeah. So we got there, and
Did we get there on Halloween, or was that the next day?
I think it was the next day, I believe.
Okay,
Yeah.
so shortly after getting there,
Kids, we all had our first Halloween at an RV park. So we got the kids all dressed up.
here, hold your bag.
Bag man.
Hold your bag, Batman.
Bagman. Bagman.
Let's go see her.
I can't get my nose and another nose.
Yeah. Oh, you have two noses.
What do you say?
Here, I'll hold it for you. I'll hold it for you. You get a little handful. I'm just put it in your bag.
got crunch because I have crunch.
Yeah.
This is just a good night. Our friends got to come, and I think I made a big old pot of beer cheese soup. It's like perfect for the occasion and season. After we were done trick-or-treating, we put the Great Pumpkin on. It's one of our traditions.
Yeah.
Watch Charlie Brown, the Great Pumpkin, on Halloween.
Got to do the Charlie Brown for the holidays the rest of the year.
Yep, that's one of our favorite things to do. And yeah, it was just a good night. We made some memories for sure.
Face it. Don't just be a skin.
Wow, look at this. Does it just go to somebody's yard?
Please don't brush on us now.
We're in Townsend, Tennessee, killing some time with a swinging bridge.
It's pretty awesome.
If it falls, it's gonna be chilly.
Yeah. Hey guys. So, since it is fall time, we have come up with a little tradition that we like to do, and we've been doing it for the past few years. It's a little fall mix that we created.
And it's hard to keep around once she makes it.
Yeah, so
Yeah.
beware, if you choose to dive into this recipe or something like it, it's gonna go fast. So we usually, it's addicting, Grayson says. So we try to buy extra ingredients, because you know, kids are crazy. And I wouldn't say it's necessarily a healthy. What's the word I'm looking for?
Not nutritional. Definitely not nutritional.
Okay, I wouldn't say it is nutritional,
Nutritionists would not recommend it.
but it's delicious, and yeah, it kind of fits all the little, checks all the boxes. So usually just start with a Ziploc bag. Love our Nacho cheese Bugles. Just added some of those.
Any leftovers you have of those, you can get
Hide them. You can hide them.
No, you get the cheese whiz.
I'll eventually
you know.
find them. Oh, now that's a good
You get
step.
the cheese whiz to fill them up. Yeah.
We have a little cheese and caramel popcorn mix. And this recipe has been adapted over the years. We've tried different ingredients. This year we're trying the cheddar tiny twist roll pretzels. Change it up a little bit. And some kind of nut. Chose dry roasted salted peanuts. Gotta put a little protein in there. And it's fall, so you gotta have candy corn. And the little pumpkins.
That's up for debate.
I mean,
So, people always feel weird about candy corn. It's either
you have to taste the ingredients.
a hit or
Make
a
sure they're
miss.
safe. Okay, so a little tip. If you've never tried these two together, candy corn and dry roasted peanuts, legitimately, tastes like Snickers. Try it if you don't believe me. Gotta go light on sweets. Except for these. We're
Reese's,
just gonna pour it all in.
Reese's Pieces.
Zip it all up.
That's 6 layers of goodness right there.
Grayson, you want to do the honors? Come over here and shake. And
Okay, sure.
and there you have it. Little fall fun mix.
Fall fun.
Now, obviously, according to your family's dietary needs or
It does contain peanuts.
food sensitivities, I mean, you have to tailor the ingredients to fit your needs and your specific tastes. But this works for us. We've been doing it for a few years. The kids look forward to it every year, and
It'll be gone. It'll be gone tomorrow.
It's a challenge to hang on to it.
Yeah,
It'll be
yeah.
gone tonight.
So I hope you guys enjoyed that, and we'll put all the ingredients down below on the shirt. And that's it. Stand right here. Stand right there. You're leaning up against the side.
Last national park of the trip. Great Smoky Mountains. Gotta get a picture. He was sleeping, yeah. We had to wake him up.
Woo! That's cool.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Don't fall in.
Then let's go down there. Can we go on those rocks?
Yeah.
Please?
Here at Clingmans Dome in Smoky Mountain National Park. Parking lot's full, so we gotta park way down, hike way up to get to the parking lot, and now we're doing a half-mile hike to the lookout tower. It's a good little workout. Making it?
Kinda not.
Yeah. It's a beautiful day though. See you at the top. How's it going?
Huh?
How's it going? Yeah,
Just taking a break.
it is. We made it. It finally happened. It's really windy up here. It's freezing. Awesome view though. Everybody made it. We just want to say thank you so much for watching. If you've made it this far, we will be next week. Will be our final week of our big trip.
Crazy.
Heading to Georgia to meet up with Jenny's parents at a cool state park up there. If you've enjoyed what you've seen, we would love for you to subscribe and send us a comment.
Also, I would be interested to know what fall/Halloween traditions y'all have this time of year, and
Yeah.
what are some things that you and your family like to do?
Well, once again, thank you for watching. I am Eric. We are Biting Tribe. We'll see you next time.
Bye.
Bye.